The document IS 1852-1985, Rolling and Cutting Tolerances for Hot-Rolled Steel Products provides detailed guidelines and permissible limits for variations in dimensions and weights of steel sections produced through hot rolling. It is a critical reference for quality assurance in steel manufacturing and construction projects. Below is an expanded explanation of the key aspects of this standard. Introduction. The standard specifies the manufacturing tolerances that ensure dimensional accuracy and weight consistency of hot-rolled steel products. It reflects updates from its earlier versions, considering technological advancements and industry practices. Rolling tolerances. These apply to structural steel sections and define permissible variations during the rolling process. 1. Structural beams and columns. Depth tolerance, for sections up to 200 mm depth, plus or minus 2 mm. For larger sections, plus or minus 3 to plus or minus 4 mm. Width of flange. Tolerance varies from plus or minus 2 mm for smaller sections to plus or minus 4 mm for larger ones. Flange squareness and web alignment. Out of square and off-center tolerances ensure structural stability and proper load distribution. Weight per meter. A tolerance of plus or minus 2.5% is standard for most grades, with allowances of plus or minus 4% for Fe 310-0 steel. Camber and sweep. Limited to 0.2% of the section length, ensuring minimal curvature and warping. 2. Channels, angles, and T-bars. Channels, similar depth, flange, and camber tolerances as beams. Angles, tolerances for leg length, squareness, and camber are specified for both equal and unequal sections. T-bars, produced from slitting beams, tolerances account for the slit reduction and dimensional variations. 3. Flats and round square bars. Tolerances for width, thickness, and weight are defined to maintain uniformity in general engineering and structural applications. Cutting tolerances. Cutting tolerances define acceptable length variations for plates, strips, and sheets. Plates and sheets length tolerances range from plus 10 mm for shorter lengths to a percentage-based tolerance for longer ones. Width tolerances depend on whether the edges are gascut or sheared. Strips. Tolerances vary based on width and thickness. Additional margins apply for slit coils. Weight tolerances. The standard includes individual section weight tolerance, ensures that the actual weight per meter is within defined limits. Bundle and consignment weight tolerance, permissible variations on theoretical weight for batch shipments, typically within plus or minus 5%. Refers to other standards. IS 1852 refers to complementary standards for material specifications, IS 2062, IS 961. Section dimensions, IS 808, IS 1730. Applications. Structural engineering, ensuring precision in building bridges, towers, and large frameworks. Manufacturing, consistency in rolled products used for shipbuilding, machinery, and heavy equipment. Inspection and quality control, compliance with tolerances to meet design specifications and safety codes. Amendments and updates. Amendments have refined specific clauses, particularly those related to depth tolerances for beams and weight tolerances for channels, reflecting evolving industry practices and user feedback. Conclusion. IS 1852-1985 provides a comprehensive set of guidelines to control the quality of hot-rolled steel products. By adhering to its tolerances, manufacturers and users ensure dimensional accuracy, structural reliability, and optimal performance in engineering applications.